Welcome to the fascinating world of generative AI. In this video, we'll explore how machines are now capable of creating content that once only humans could imagine. From writing stories to generating images and even composing music, generative AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. But what exactly is generative AI, and how does it work? Let's start by understanding the basics and setting the stage for a journey through the creative capabilities of artificial intelligence. Generative AI refers to a class of artificial intelligence systems designed to create new content. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on recognizing patterns or making predictions, generative AI can produce original text, images, audio, and more. These systems learn from vast amounts of data and use that knowledge to generate outputs that mimic human creativity. This ability to create rather than just analyze marks a significant leap in AI development. At the heart of generative AI is machine learning. These systems are trained on large datasets, learning patterns, styles, and structures from the information they process. For example, a generative AI trained on thousands of paintings can learn artistic styles and then create new artworks in similar styles. The more data the AI is exposed to, the more sophisticated and creative its outputs become. Generative AI relies heavily on neural networks, which are computer systems inspired by the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes or neurons that process information and learn complex relationships within data. By adjusting the connections between these nodes, neural networks can generate new and unique outputs, making them essential for generative AI's creative abilities. There are several types of generative AI models, each with its own strengths. Some of the most popular include generative adversarial networks (GANs), variational autoencoders (VAEs), and transformer-based models like GPT. These models use different approaches to generate content, but all share the goal of creating something new from learned data. GANs are a breakthrough in generative AI. They consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data while the discriminator evaluates its authenticity. Through this competition, GANs improve rapidly, producing highly realistic images, videos, and even audio. They have revolutionized fields like art, design, and entertainment. VAEs are another important generative model. They work by encoding input data into a compressed format and then decoding it to generate new, similar data. VAEs are especially useful for tasks like image reconstruction and data compression, and they can create new variations of existing content with impressive flexibility. Transformer models such as GPT and BERT have taken the AI world by storm. These models excel at understanding and generating human-like text. By processing language and context, transformers can write essays, answer questions, and even hold conversations. Their ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text has made them invaluable in many industries. One of the most common uses of generative AI is text generation. AI models can write articles, stories, poems, and even code. By analyzing vast amounts of written material, these systems learn grammar, style, and context, enabling them to produce text that is often indistinguishable from human writing. Generative AI can also create stunning images from scratch. Whether it's realistic portraits, imaginative landscapes, or abstract art, AI models use learned patterns to generate visuals that captivate and inspire. Artists and designers are increasingly using these tools to push the boundaries of creativity. Generative AI isn't limited to visuals and text, it can also compose music and generate audio. By learning from thousands of songs or sound samples, AI can create new melodies, harmonies, and even entire soundtracks. This opens up exciting possibilities for musicians, producers, and content creators. Video generation is another frontier for generative AI. AI models can create short clips, animations, and even deepfake videos by learning from existing footage. This technology is being used in filmmaking, advertising, and entertainment to produce content faster and more efficiently than ever before. Artists are embracing generative AI as a new medium for creative expression. From digital paintings to interactive installations, AI-generated art is gaining recognition in galleries and exhibitions worldwide. These collaborations between humans and machines are redefining what it means to be an artist in the digital age. Writers are using generative AI to brainstorm ideas, draft content, and even co-author books. AI-powered writing assistants can suggest phrases, correct grammar, and help overcome writer's block. This partnership between human creativity and machine intelligence is changing the way stories are told. Designers are leveraging generative AI to create logos, layouts, and product prototypes. AI tools can generate multiple design options in seconds, allowing designers to experiment and iterate more efficiently. This accelerates the creative process and leads to more innovative outcomes. Marketers are using generative AI to craft personalized ads, social media posts, and email campaigns. By analyzing customer data, AI can generate content tailored to individual preferences, increasing engagement and conversion rates. This level of personalization was once unimaginable. In the gaming industry, generative AI is used to create characters, storylines, and even entire game worlds. AI can generate unique levels, quests, and dialogues, making games more dynamic and replayable. This technology is transforming how games are developed and experienced. Generative AI is making waves in healthcare by generating synthetic medical data, designing new drugs, and assisting in diagnosis. AI models can simulate patient data for research, create molecules for drug discovery, and even generate medical images for training purposes. Educators are using generative AI to create personalized learning materials, quizzes, and interactive lessons. AI can adapt content to suit each student's learning style, making education more engaging and effective. This technology is helping teachers reach students in new and innovative ways. In finance, generative AI is used to generate synthetic financial data, automate report writing, and even simulate market scenarios. These capabilities help analysts make better decisions, detect fraud, and improve risk management strategies. Generative AI powers chatbots and virtual assistants that can handle customer inquiries, provide support, and resolve issues around the clock. These AI systems learn from interactions to improve their responses, making customer service faster and more efficient. E-commerce platforms use generative AI to recommend products, generate product descriptions, and personalize shopping experiences. By analyzing user behavior, AI can suggest items that match individual preferences, boosting sales and customer satisfaction. Social media platforms use generative AI to curate content feeds, generate captions, and even create filters and effects. AI helps users discover new content, connect with others, and express themselves in creative ways. Law firms are adopting generative AI to draft legal documents, review contracts, and conduct research. AI can quickly generate templates and analyze case law, saving time and reducing errors in legal work. Scientists use generative AI to simulate experiments, generate hypotheses, and analyze research data. AI can model complex systems, predict outcomes, and accelerate scientific discovery across disciplines. Architects are using generative AI to design buildings, optimize layouts, and visualize structures. AI can generate multiple design options based on constraints, helping architects create more efficient and sustainable buildings. Fashion designers are leveraging generative AI to create new clothing patterns, predict trends, and even generate virtual models. AI can suggest color combinations, fabrics, and styles, making the design process more innovative and efficient. Advertisers use generative AI to create compelling ad copy, design visuals, and optimize campaigns. AI can test different versions of ads and select the most effective ones, maximizing reach and impact. In logistics, generative AI helps optimize delivery routes, predict demand, and manage inventory. AI-generated simulations can identify bottlenecks and suggest improvements, making supply chains more efficient. Security professionals use generative AI to simulate cyberattacks, generate threat scenarios, and develop defense strategies. AI can create synthetic data to test systems and improve cybersecurity measures. Environmental scientists use generative AI to model ecosystems, predict climate changes, and generate conservation strategies. AI can simulate the impact of different policies, helping to protect our planet. Real estate professionals use generative AI to generate property descriptions, predict market trends, and create virtual tour. AI helps buyers and sellers make informed decisions and streamlines the property search process. The entertainment industry is embracing generative AI to create scripts, design characters, and produce special effects. AI-generated content is making movies, TV shows, and games more engaging and visually stunning. Journalists use generative AI to draft news articles, summarize reports, and generate headlines. AI can quickly process large volumes of information, helping newsrooms deliver timely and accurate stories. Generative AI enhances communication by translating languages, generating subtitles, and even creating personalized messages. These tools help bridge language barriers and make global communication more accessible. HR professionals use generative AI to draft job descriptions, screen resumes, and generate interview questions. AI streamlines the hearing process, making it faster and more efficient for both employers and candidates. Travel companies use generative AI to create personalized itineraries, generate travel guides, and recommend destinations. AI analyzes traveler preferences to suggest unique experiences and streamline trip planning. In the food industry, generative AI is used to create new recipes, optimize menus, and predict food trends. AI can suggest ingredient combinations and help chefs innovate in the kitchen. Sports teams use generative AI to analyze player performance, generate training plans, and simulate game strategies. AI helps coaches make data-driven decisions and improve team outcomes. Manufacturers use generative AI to design products, optimize production processes, and predict maintenance needs. AI-generated simulations help identify inefficiencies and improve overall productivity. With great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI raises important ethical questions, such as the potential for misuse, bias in generated content, and the impact on jobs. It's crucial for developers and users to consider these issues and work towards responsible AI development. Despite its impressive capabilities, generative AI faces challenges. These include the need for large datasets, high computational costs, and the risk of generating inaccurate or inappropriate content. Addressing these limitations is key to unlocking the full potential of generative AI. The future of generative AI is bright. As technology advances, we can expect even more creative and useful applications. From personalized content to smarter assistants, generative AI will continue to shape our digital experiences and open up new possibilities. Rather than replacing humans, generative AI is becoming a powerful collaborator. By combining human creativity with machine intelligence, we can achieve results that neither could accomplish alone. This partnership is driving innovation across industries. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way we create, communicate, and solve problems. Its ability to generate new content is opening doors to innovation in every field. As we move forward, it's important to use this technology responsibly and thoughtfully, ensuring that it benefits society as a whole.